Police in St. Catherine North are raising fresh concerns about the illegal immigration and alleged human smuggling operations within the parish. The division's commanding officer says dozens of undocumented migrants have already been detained and residents are being warned not to harbor them. Sandy Williams has more.
Look out for illegal immigrants.
A stern warning from the St. Catherine North Police Division as officers intensify operations targeting illegal immigration.
We have, in St. Catherine North, in the past 2 months, we have arrested 39, and I know at least 28 on the other side of St. Catherine.
Commanding Officer SSP Hopton Nicholson says while the arrests are part of routine policing, investigators are seeing troubling patterns involving organized networks.
We're talking about the Haitians. They are, and this is our normal course of duty. We want schemes that are taking persons to Jamaica to go to other countries, but for some reason they remain in Jamaica, and they are organized schemes to keep them here, to feed them, to ensure they get money.
Even more concerning, SSP Nicholson says some individuals may be profiting while migrants are allegedly being underpaid. The senior superintendent is urging citizens to steer clear of any involvement.
It is against the law to do so.
Residents with information about suspected human smuggling or illegal immigration activities are being urged to contact the police immediately. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.